Welcome to the CoAnalyst podcast series, where we're going to delve into the fascinating world of digital investigations powered by advanced AI technology. I'm your host, Allison Sullivan, and joining me today is Christine Talley. How are you, Christine?
Hey, Allison. I am doing great. I am so excited to kick off this series with you. We are going to be exploring CoAnalyst's journey and its capabilities throughout this series. So for our listeners, CoAnalyst is a groundbreaking product developed by PenLink to enhance digital investigations. We'll be breaking it down incredible piece by incredible piece throughout multiple episodes. So today we're going to cover its origins, the journey through its development, and its unique features. So, Allison, let's dive in.
I can feel the excitement. I'm so excited about this. We've been talking about it and prepping for a while, and we're really, really excited to bring it to our audience today. So let's start with a little bit of background. CoAnalyst was born out of the need to basically streamline and enhance the capabilities of digital investigators. So think about your analysts, your researchers, your detectives. With the exponential growth of data and the complexity of investigations that we're all working on, there was a clear demand for a more advanced tool that could handle vast amounts of information and data efficiently and, most importantly, accurately. This is where PenLink stepped in with CoAnalyst.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, PenLink recognized these incredible challenges that are faced by law enforcement, national security, defense, financial investigation teams. So the goal was to create a tool that not only automates data analysis, but also gives us those deep insights using advanced AI and natural language processing technologies. So the result of all of PenLink's investigative work into these challenges, talking to our customers, looking at the landscape of what's going on with digital investigations, and the solutions is CoAnalyst. So it's a platform that is significantly going to enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of our digital investigations.
Absolutely. And, let's take a moment and talk about the development and journey of CoAnalyst. So it all started a few years ago. It's when our team at PenLink really began to research the potential of AI in digital investigations. We brought together experts from various fields, law enforcement, federal government, national security, and including AI, machine learning, cybersecurity, and all of these verticals to really brainstorm and develop a solution that could meet the needs of the average, daily, yet modern investigator.
Yeah. I mean, the initial phase of this entire process involved extensive research and development. So this isn't something that we just jumped into, because AI all of a sudden is huge, right? Our team focused on understanding the specific requirements of investigators, things like the need for semantic search capabilities, automated summarization of data, and then advanced image and media analysis. So we wanted CoAnalyst to be a comprehensive tool that could handle different types of data and provide actionable insights quickly.
Exactly. And, one of the major milestones in CoAnalyst development was the integration of the advanced NLP or natural language processing techniques. And that allowed for the CoAnalyst platform to really understand and process natural language queries, making it so much easier for the end user, investigators, analysts to interact with the system. So instead of using complex search queries, users can now ask questions in plain language, very simple, and get precise yet relevant results.
Yeah, it is amazing to me that we're actually able to create these natural language queries. We don't have to try and decide, how do I have to phrase this? Go in and ask the questions the way you would ask questions of the data. So anyway, another significant achievement, and one of my personal favorites, was the development of our semantic search engine. So unlike traditional keyword-based searches, CoAnalyst semantic search understands the meaning and context behind the queries. So this means investigators can find information based on concepts and relationships rather than just specific words and trying to know what those specific words need to be, right? So it is a game changer in how we approach digital investigations.
It absolutely is. And, let's not forget about the summarization capabilities that CoAnalyst presents. It can distill large volumes of complex data into concise, actionable summaries. The feature is crucial for investigators and end users who need to quickly understand the essence of the data and make informed decisions. So whether it's text, whether it's media, or even GeoData, CoAnalyst provides clear and concise insights.
You said one of the magic words for me, Allison, which is GeoData. One of the unique features of CoAnalyst is its ability to visualize geographic information on interactive maps. So this is actually going to help investigators and analysts see spatial patterns, track movements, analyze location-based data in a way that's intuitive and insightful. Combined with real-time tracking capabilities, it's an incredibly powerful tool for field operations.
Absolutely. And, the journey that we really have taken as a company and as a team, it didn't come without its challenges. Integrating such advanced features into a single platform, it required a lot of innovation, a lot of problem solving, a lot of discussion. But thanks to, our relentless and dedicated team that we have here at PenLink, the hard work of our R&D teams, our partners, we were able to overcome these challenges and deliver really a product that really, really, truly meets the needs of our end users, analysts, investigators. And we really, really are proud of this tool.
Yeah, absolutely. And just for a second to give a huge shout out to our R&D team. How amazing is it that you and I are surrounded by such brilliant people?
Absolutely.
That make our jobs so much easier. So a huge shout out to them for all of the work that they've done in CoAnalyst. So it's, again, R&D team, absolutely amazing, but it's also worth mentioning the feedback that we got from the beta testers, because we would not have been able to do this without our beta testers. Throughout the development process, we worked closely with a very select group of law enforcement and investigation professionals who gave us invaluable insights and feedback. So their real world experience, combined with the brilliant minds of our R&D team, is what helped us fine-tune CoAnalyst and ensure that it meets the high standards that are required in this field.
Absolutely. And those standards are extremely high. And, one of the unique capabilities that really sets CoAnalyst apart from other tools on the market are really the abilities to handle multilingual data. We are a global company. We have a global presence, and we want to help out anyone that is on the other end globally. CoAnalyst is really language agnostic. It can process and analyze data in multiple languages with the same level of accuracy and precision as the rest. It's crucial for global investigations.
Yeah, exactly. And the platform's ability to integrate. Right? We always talk about when we're talking about different sources that we use in law enforcement is trying to get these things together. So the ability that the platform has to integrate with existing systems is another major advantage. So CoAnalyst is designed to be flexible and scalable, which is going to make it easy to incorporate it into different workflows without disrupting the existing processes that you already have. So this is going to help ensure a smooth transition. It's going to maximize the value of the platform from day one.
Yeah, absolutely. And, we deal with a lot of sensitive information, a lot of sensitive data, while using these platforms. And one of the most important features is really the security and privacy of CoAnalyst. It employs robust encryption, anonymization, access control measures to protect personal information. It ensures regulatory compliance, again, being a global presence, that's very important. And it makes it a trusted solution for organizations that handle this critical and sensitive information.
Definitely. As we look to the future, which, oh my gosh, how exciting is it? We are you, me, the entire company, we're incredibly excited about the potential of CoAnalyst to continue evolving. I mean, we're not just putting this thing out and then expecting it to be what it is, right? We're going to continue to make it better and better. So it's going to continue to evolve and meet the needs of investigators and analysts and those folks who are out there doing the hard work, right? So the feedback that we've received so far has been overwhelmingly positive, and we are committed to going forward with innovation and continued improvement.
Absolutely, Christine. The journey of CoAnalyst is very far from over. Just to see the evolution of all of the tools in the PenLink suite is astronomical. We have a dedicated team here at PenLink. We're constantly working on new features, enhancements to CoAnalyst and all of our tool set. So we remain at the forefront of digital investigative technology.
Yeah. Well, Allison, I can't believe that it's time for us to wrap up.
Yeah.
But it is. So to kind of put a nice big red bow on this, CoAnalyst represents a significant leap forward in digital investigation tools. Its advanced AI capabilities, the intuitive interface, comprehensive feature set are going to make it an indispensable tool for investigators. And we're going to be talking so much more about that in the coming episodes. So we are so proud of what we have achieved so far, and we are excited about what's to come.
Absolutely. And thank you so much, Christine, for joining me today. And thank you very much to our audience for joining us on this first episode of our CoAnalyst podcast series. Stay tuned for our next episode. That's when we're going to dive in a little bit deeper into how AI is really revolutionizing investigations.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, everybody, for listening. Allison, thanks for having me.
Absolutely. And don't forget to follow us for the latest updates on CoAnalyst. See you next time, everyone.
Take care. Stay safe.
You too.